guys, it's Chelsea again. Oh, wait. I'll see you in a minute because I have to go do something right quick, but yeah. So guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make clear slime. So, the ingredients you're going to be needing is, clear glue, because I'm making clear glue slime. Food coloring, this is optional, you don't have to have it. Some solution, I got borax and water. Something to put your slime in. Oh, I need to go get something to make to mix it up, so I'll be right back. And as I was saying, you need something to mix with. I just got a fork because thing that I could find. And so the first thing you're going to need to do is grab your bowl and get your glue. So you open it and then you pour as much glue as you want. It depends like if you put a lot, then that's how long your slime is gonna take to get ready to make. So I'm only gonna pour like about that much, but yeah. And then now you add in your food coloring. I got pink because pink is like my favorite color. So yeah, let's add in pink because my favorite color. This is what it looks like whenever you put it in. So I think that's good. And right about now is whenever you would mix your glue and your dye together. And see how it's already coming together, but I didn't even try to put in the solution yet. So that is pretty weird. I've never actually done clear slime on my channel, but this is like my first time making clear slime also. But yeah, I think I'll try to make a fluffy slime on my channel also, but I don't know. So I think mine is almost done. So guys, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Like this. It's like a pretty pink, and yeah. So that's how it looks. And now let's add in the solution. So what you're gonna do is add in some let me show you. So you get a cup of water, and then you get your borax, because I'm using borax. And I already put it in, so now I just need to mix it so I can put it in my slime. So guys, now I'm ready to add it in my slime, or my mixture, so I can make it come together. So let's add it in. I'm just going to start by putting in only a little bit at a time. So yeah. Add in like about that much. Smells weird. I don't know how it's going to be like because, as I said, I've never made this before. So I don't know if it's going to turn out or not. Yeah, it doesn't look like it because, oh yeah. I didn't about that much. I don't know why I added that much. Let me just pour that back out. I got some borax and water on me, but that's okay. It didn't go in my eyes, so that's good. But yeah. If you're gonna make clear slime, and if you dye it, then it won't really turn out to be clear. It'll turn out to be like pink or whatever color you do. But if you like stretch it once it's done, it'll be clear. But yeah, mine is still very sticky. Like as I said, I've never made this before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But hopefully it doesn't turn very bad because I don't want it to. So let's just keep mixing And this is very hard because I got like a plastic bowl, so it's hard to keep up with it. Okay. That's so cool. Okay, it just fell. And after this, after I make it, I will show you guys 2 of my slimes that I made already before. Okay, so guys, to add a little bit more. I don't think I added in enough borax in my water because I didn't really add in like the right amount. I just looked at it and just threw the water in. Not threw it, but like just poured the water in. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start working with my hands right now because it's already sticking kind of off of the bowl. Or not. It's like really sticky. But this is coming together. I'm gonna add a little bit more and then mix it, and then I'm gonna start working with my hands. And this pink is like really pretty because it's like a light pink. So yeah, and yeah, I have really nothing to say. I don't even know why I said that, but yeah. Okay, let's get some of my slime so I can start working with it. And I don't want to like take the whole thing out because I don't know if it's like really sticky or not. But we're going to try to play with it for a little bit. See how it's kind of sticking but kind of not? That's what I meant. Like I'm just going to play with it for a little bit with my fingers on the fork because I don't want it to go everywhere. I mean, at least it changed like from liquid because whenever I made my fluffy slime, not on a video, but on a, what do you call it? Like in real life and not on my vlog. Well, video, not vlog, because I don't vlog. I have video. And I technically only do slime videos, but yeah. And I might not finish in this video. I keep saying vlog, but in this video, so I might show you the ending of my slime. But bye, and I'll see you guys in a little bit in another video. So bye.